In this video, I'm going to show exactly how you can install and configure the Facebook pixel or Meta pixel on your WordPress website. So let's begin. I have the WordPress website here. I am on the administrator panel. I go to plugins. I go to add new plugin, and I will find the Facebook pixel for WordPress. And this is the Meta pixel for WordPress. So this is the website that you want to, sorry, this is the plugin that you want to install. And, or if you have WooCommerce website, so if you have an online shop on WordPress, you have to install this Facebook for WooCommerce. But I don't have WooCommerce, so I will install this Meta pixel for WordPress for now. And I go to install now, and I have to activate. Now it's activated, and you have to go to Meta pixel here and go to settings, and here you have to press get started. Now after press get started, make sure you are connected to your Facebook profile and make sure you have a Facebook page, and you already have a business Meta business portfolio, and the Facebook page it's connected to that business portfolio, and you also have a Facebook ad account. And if you don't have that, if you don't have a Facebook pixel account or a Meta business portfolio, you have to go to my other video on YouTube and watch that video, so you know exactly how to create your Meta or Facebook ads account. And there I show exactly how to create a Facebook page, how to connect Facebook page to a business account, and how to create a business portfolio, and everything that you need to know. Now I will go to here on my Facebook. This is a test account. I go to my advertising masters. I go to Meta Business Suite. I go to all tools, and here I go to events manager. And at the events manager, I go to data sets, and I don't have anything here. Now, to install a pixel, I have to go to settings, business settings. I have to go to data sources at data sets and pixels. And here I have to add a new one. For example, advertising masters pixel or something like that. Or what I can do, I go to my WordPress website, which is test.andreisip.com, WP admin, and I will connect my I will connect my account. Right, I am connected. I go to plugins again to install plugins, and I go here to the Meta pixel for WordPress at settings, and I go to get started. And now I am connected to this account, Andrew Johnson. I go to continue. I go to allow. I go to continue as Andrew Johnson. By the way, this is a fake Facebook profile. You have to use your real Facebook profile, so Facebook will not block you. I go to next, and here I have to choose business portfolio. Make sure you choose your business portfolio. If you have multiple business portfolios, make sure you choose the right ones. Go to next. Here, pages. Make sure you use the right page if you have multiple pages. Same with Instagram account. If you don't have an Instagram account, you don't need an Instagram account. But if you have an Instagram account, make sure that your Instagram account is connected to your business portfolio. So if you don't know how to connect your Instagram account to your business portfolio, go visit the other video that I made, how that it's called how to create a Facebook ads or Meta ads account from scratch, because there I show you everything, how to create a Facebook page, how to connect a Facebook page or an Instagram page to a business portfolio, and so on. I'm going to skip this step, and here I will choose this advertising masters ad account that it's already created and it's connected to my business portfolio. I press next, and here at pixels I go to create new, and then change the name with advertising masters. You can put what name you want. Pixel. I go to next. This is the pixel, it's created. I go to next, and this is it pretty much. I make sure this is check, and I go to continue. I go to next. I have to wait a little and I go to press done. You have to wait a little here. Don't refresh the page. Don't exit. Just wait. If it's not working, you have to do it again. So it seems that it's not working. So I have to refresh the page and get started and do it again. Yeah, sometimes it's not working as we expected. Hopefully this time will work. These are situations where something is not working because it's not working and you don't know why, but this is it. I press done and now it seems that it's working. Yes, it worked. I agree, confirm, and I check this, and now I have the Facebook pixel installed on my website. So what is Facebook pixel? Basically, Facebook pixel is the middleman. It's the connection between Facebook and Instagram and the Meta platform and our website. So Facebook pixel, the middleman, is the connection, and you only have to install one time this Facebook pixel on each website. So you don't need multiple Facebook pixels on your website. You only need one Facebook pixel per website, but you can install more, but this is more advanced. Let's not complicate things. Only one Facebook pixel per website. You can also install the same Facebook pixel to different websites, or you can install different Facebook pixels for different websites. So each website can have its own Facebook pixel, and the same websites, if you have more, can have the same Facebook pixel or different Facebook pixel. So it's something like that. Let me show you. So this is the Meta, right? Meta business portfolio, whatever. And here we have different. Here on this portfolio, we have different pages attached, different ad accounts, and here you can have this Facebook pixel or Meta pixel. You can call it what you want, how you want, right? And I told you that is the middleman between your website and this business portfolio. So basically, this Facebook pixel, what is doing is like somebody who is watching what people are doing on your website. So when people are visiting your website, this Facebook pixel tells Facebook, hey, this guy visited the website. And Facebook pixel can see if that guy has a specific IP, for example, and Facebook knows what your IP do you have. And basically, this is the way Facebook knows everything about us. They know what websites we visit, they know where we click, they know what we search, even on Facebook or on Instagram, and even on different websites that are having Facebook pixel installed. Because Facebook pixel and Facebook can detect if you, with your profile, that you have a profile on Facebook and you have a profile on Instagram, they can detect you as a person, that what you're doing on different websites. And this is how Facebook knows everything about us. And this is how Facebook can tell if you like, for example, a phone, and if you browse different websites and Facebook see that you like, for example, a new car or a whatever television or whatever gadget, like a smartwatch, and you can see, and at the moment you go on Facebook or on Instagram and you scroll, you see ads with watches, you see ads with cars, you see ads with everything that you are interested in, because Facebook knows exactly what you are interested in, because they know where you navigate on different websites. So this is how things work. Now we install this Facebook pixel, and as I told you, you can have this Facebook pixel. Let's say the name it's advertising masters. This is the one pixel that we have, and we can install this Facebook pixel to website 1, and the same pixel you can install it to website 2. And why would you do that? If the audience is the same, so basically if you are having the same audience on both websites, you can do that. It's okay. This Facebook pixel will know more about your target audience. But if you want this meta Facebook pixel to be different, and if you have different audiences and you have different websites for different audiences, you can have another Facebook pixel that is installed for another website. For example, this is masked pixel, let's say Facebook Masters pixel, and it's for another website. And you can also have this Facebook Master pixel installed on your website too. So it's up to you how you like to do things. It's up to you how you like to install that, but the best and the simple way is to have one Facebook pixel and one website and one ad account for each business that you have. Now let's go to Meta again. Let's go to this place, to Meta Business. So we have to refresh the page, and I refresh the page, and now I have the Facebook pixel here in my business settings, add data and pixels. Here, this is the Facebook pixels, the Facebook pixel, and I have to go to connected assets, and it's already connected to my Advertising Masters ad account. Now what I have to do is to go to all tools, and I go to Events Manager, and here I go to Datasets. I have this Advertising Masters that it's installed on my website, so it's already installed. You don't need to install it again, and you don't need to delete it. If it's installed, it's okay. It means that it gets data, but right now it only gets simple data like page views. Now you have to set this Facebook pixel. You have to tell Facebook pixel what people are doing on your website and what are the objectives that you are looking for. For example, let's go to settings, and here at the settings you go at this events setup tool, open it, and here you add your website. In my case it's test.andreiisip.com. This is a test website that I created only for the purpose of this video. So this is the tool from the Meta, and here you can see all events. Right now we don't have any events, but what you want to do is to track specific links or specific buttons. In this case, this is a home page. We don't want to track anything on this homepage because Facebook it's already tracking people who are visiting websites and who are visiting pages. So we already have the views. We know that people are viewing our website and they are scrolling on our website. So we don't need to configure anything here. What you want to configure is, let's say, for example, you have a funnel. Let's say you have a landing page, and here, let's say you have an ad on Instagram. So an Instagram ad, and people are visiting your landing page from this ad, and on this landing page you have a form with email, name, email address, and so on and so on. This is your form. Let's say you have this landing page with this form, and when people are completing this form on this landing page, they are going to a thank you page. See, for example, everybody that is completing this form, they are automatically redirected to this thank you page. And on this thank you page, for example, andreiisip.com/thank you page. For example, on this page, I can set the meta pixel to know that everyone who is coming to this page is a lead. So Facebook will know that everybody who arrives at this link, at this specific link, it's a lead. Or, for example, if you have a product, let's say you don't have a leads magnet or a leads opt-in page, lead generation. Let's say you have an actual ad that sells something. Let's say ad Instagram that sells a product. So go to product page. In that case, people will not complete any form, but they will buy something. They will buy your product, right? So after they buy, after they send you money with the payment, after they pay with PayPal or with bank transfer or with card, people will arrive at another thank you page for purchase. So they buy and they will automatically arrive at a thank you page. And in that case, at this thank you page, we will set the target to be purchase. So basically, if you go here, let's pretend that this is in the first place, this is our thank you page, right? Let's pretend that this is our thank you page. And we want to set this lead event. Now, this is our thank you page, right? And all I have to do is to track URL, and I select here the event, and the event will be lead. And here at URL equals, I will go to URL contains, and I will delete this, and I will let my link very simple. For example, in this case, the link will be something like this. This is the actual link, but I don't have this page right now. Let's pretend that this page is having this link, and let's pretend that this is the link of this page, right? Of course, it's not the same, but let's pretend this is the link, and this is what the link should look like. So don't add any question mark or blah blah blah. Make it simple and delete the HTTPS from the front. Just make it like this, right? Okay, and also you can include a value on this page. In this case, if we are at a landing page with lead generation and it's a lead event, we have a lead event here, you don't need to add any value. So you don't include value. And of course I have to add here. And all you have to do is to confirm. Now everybody that arrives at this thank you page will be considered as our lead. And if you go to Facebook ads, for example, let's go to Facebook ads here at ad accounts. In my Facebook ads, I will open the ads manager. Here at the campaign, at the results, we will see people who arrived at that page will be our leads. So we can go here at performance. I go to performance and clicks or customize columns, and here I can search for lead, not lead. These leads, I go to total, I can show the cost, and I deselect this and I press apply. So I will have these leads over here and cost per lead. So everybody that will arrive at this thank you page will be considered as our lead. This is how we set this Facebook pixel event. Let's say now that we have this event for the purchase page. In that case, let's pretend that where it is. Let me find the page. I lost it. Here. Now, let's say, I will delete this event. Let's say that this page right now, it's a thank you page for purchase. So it's like Andrei isip.com/thank purchase, right? Thanks for your purchase. And this is the link. Let's pretend this is the link, right? Because now we are at the thank you page for purchase. And let's pretend this is the thank you page. Now, all we have to do is to go to track URL and select the event purchase. URL equals, we will select URL contains. Again, we will take this. What is your link? You will take your link without any other question marks and without HTTPS in the front, right? The simple link, and you will choose also the value on page. And on the thank you page, you should have the value of your product that people bought from you. So basically, this is why this thank you page from products should be dynamic. What means dynamic? It means that, for example, if you have 3 products and one product it's $10, another product it's $12, and another product it's $20, you want that value to be dynamic. So if I buy for $10, the value on the thank you page should be there $10. If I buy for let's say $20, the value should change on the thank you page to $20. If you don't know how to do that, but usually on e-commerce stores, on e-commerce, if you have WooCommerce, for example, on your website, it's working manually. I mean, you don't have to do anything, just to set the pixel. But if you don't have this dynamic thank you page, you can create a thank you page for each product. For example, let me show you. Let's say you have this product page 1 with product 1, and you have the product page 2, and you have the product page 3. Now, when people are coming to this page, they will come to andreiisip.com/thanks purchase product 2, and for this one they will come to the same link but product 3. So the link is basically different. And on the Facebook page, on the Facebook pixel, you have to set for each page the value manually. And how you set the value manually? You just go on the page, you choose the value on page, and here you can select the text where you have the amount. Right now I don't have the text with amount on this page, but let's say this is the text with the amount. Let's say here it says that the product value is $10. So I will select this text, and that's pretty much it. But to show you exactly how it should look like, let's turn on Builder, and I will add here a value manually. For example, here $10, like this. Sorry. Let's make it bigger. And thank you for your purchase, right? So let's make a role play here. Let's delete this. Let's delete the button, and let's delete this. And let's pretend this is our thank you page for the product that costs $10. I press save. This is on my website builder. And if I track URL again, I select the event purchase, I choose the value page, I will choose this value, that is $10. Now, if you have the same landing page, you don't need to to do it again. You don't need to select this event each time. Only if you have different thank you pages. But if your thank you page is the same and this $10 it's dynamic and it changes based on what people are paying, it's okay. You only have to set it one time and you're good to go. Make sure you choose the right currency and you can go to confirm, and that's pretty much it. This is how you configure the Facebook pixel for your WordPress or WooCommerce website, and it's the same for each website. You don't need to have WordPress or WooCommerce because the tool is the same. This Meta Pixel tool, it's the same. What is not the same, it's how you actually install the Facebook pixel on your website. Because, for example, if you have a Shopify or a PrestaShop or other page or other builder or other website or other platform, you have to talk with a developer or with your IT team or with your programmer or with ChatGPT, and you have to choose the proper plugin to install on your website. That is basically this Facebook pixel, that is the connector between your website and Meta platforms. But after you have the Facebook pixel installed, all you have to do is to configure it, and this is how you configure it. Doesn't matter what platform you have. And this is it. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. If you have questions, you can ask in the comments and I can answer, or I can create another video to be more specific if you have different questions. Or make sure you read the descriptions, because I have there some links for my newsletters and for my products and for my offers. You can contact me if you want to collaborate, and if you want me or my team to be involved in your business to help you scale, let me know. You can write me, and yeah, that's pretty much it, how you are doing things with this. And of course, don't forget to watch other videos that I have prepared for you, with how to run ads, how to do stuff with this advertising world.